Lime powder ball press ball shape has what? Lime powder ball press ball shapes are changeable, commonly round, square and rectangular, and can be controlled by the roll die. But in most cases, the material shape of the lime powder ball press is spherical, which is conducive to demolding and is not easy to break during transportation. As for the model of lime powder ball press, the larger the lime powder ball press, the size of the roll directly affects the handling capacity. Therefore, the larger the ball roller, the higher the yield. Pressure ball size can be carried out according to industry standards. In general, its size and shape are more common. If there are special application requirements, the ball size can be customized from the manufacturer. The ball produced by lime powder ball press determines whether the material burns well in the smelting process and plays an important role in the whole process.